Kape tayo.
Alam mo ba kung sino ang nagpasikat ng tagline na ito sa mundo ng social media? Aba syempre, siya ang commander ng 802nd Infantry Peerless Brigade Philippine Army na si Brigadier General Noel Toto Vestuer Philippine Army. Hindi lang siya isang mabuting social media influencer, kundi isang magiting na general na nagsilbi sa bayan sa loob ng halos 4 na dekada bilang isang military officer. Kilalanin natin si Brigadier General Vestuer hindi lamang sa kanyang makabuluhan at nakakatuwang mga vlogs, kundi pati na rin sa makulay niyang paglalakbay sa paglilingkod para sa taong bayan at sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan.
Brigadier General Noel Avance Vestuer is a full-blooded Army officer, an infantry by blood, a logistician by heart, a proud member of PMA Sambisi Class of 1991 from Charlie Company. Brigadier General Vestuer's colorful military career started when he was assigned as platoon leader, executive officer, and subsequently the company commander of Alpha Company, 35th Infantry Kamandag Battalion, 6th Infantry Campilan Division, Philippine Army in Central Mindanao. As a young lieutenant, he saw action against the MNLF and MALF separatist groups in Mindanao, as well as communist insurgents. It was during that period that the secessionist rebellion and insurgency in the entire country is at its peak. As a tactical combat commander, then Lieutenant Vestuer's hands-on combat character ensures that his leadership is felt in the ground. He fought side by side with his men, cheated death several times, survived and became victorious. His 2 Gold Cross Medal awards and 1 Wounded Personal Medal are proofs of his combat exploits and tactical acumen. Known for his passion, dedication, creativity, and for being a visionary, Brigadier General Vestuer held vital and key leadership positions in his military career. He held various positions in different units where he was geographically assigned in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. In the field of administration, Brigadier General Vestuer has crafted various policies, SOPs, letter directives during his assignments at Headquarters Philippine Army and at the General Headquarters Armed Forces of the Philippines. He authored the AFP Preventing and Countering Violent Extremism letter directive, which was utilized by the AFP since 2018. He also spearheaded the crafting of the Civil Affairs, Public Affairs, and PsyOps Manual of the AFP, being the chairman of the Technical Working Group. Driven by his desire to save the youth from the exploitation and deception of the CPP and PANDF, he organized the Hands Off Our Children movement, an advocacy group of parents whose children were groomed and recruited to join the new People's Army. As a battalion commander, Brigadier General Vestuer led the 20th Infantry Battalion in numerous operations that resulted to tactical combat engagements in the area of Northern Samar and parts of Calbayog City. During his stint, the strength of the CPP and PA terrorists in the area was significantly reduced, leading to a peaceful era at present. His leadership as battalion commander was recognized by the Philippine Army, where he is one of the awardees during the 118th Philippine Army anniversary in 2014. As Brigade Commander, Brigadier General Vestuer leadership excellence is not only exemplified by the number of terrorists his units neutralized, but most significantly by the number of former rebels who saved after abandoning the armed struggle. His extensive experience in counterinsurgency, peace and development initiatives, and collaboration with local government units, other government agencies, and other stakeholders paved the way for the clearing of all NPA-influenced barangays, the reduction of NPA strength in manpower and firearms, the dismantling of 1 sub-regional committee in Samar and Eastern Samar provinces to include its platoon formations in the province of Leyte. He initiated the landmark CMO projects, being considered by the Philippine Army as among the best practices in civil military operations, which aim to encourage the remaining active members of the NPA to surrender, embrace peace, and avail themselves of the government's programs. To date, the presence of the NPA terrorists could no longer be felt in the entire area of operations of his brigade. After more than 38 years, Brigadier General Noel Avance Vestuer will retire from the military service on 17 October 2025, leaving us a simple legacy of faithful and dedicated service to our nation. Let us all welcome Brigadier General Noel Avance Vestuer, the general known for his signature line,
Kape tayo.
Sa kanyang pagretiro, muling bumisita si Brigadier General Vestuer sa mga Army units na humubog sa kanya bilang isang pinuno. Sa pagkakataong ito, kanyang binalikan at sinariwa ang mga alaala ng panahong siya ay nakatalaga sa mga nasabing unit, kung saan mainit naman siyang sinalubong at tinanggap ng mga opisyal at kawani. Ang mga tagumpay na nakamit ni Brigadier General Vistuir sa kanyang karera bilang isang military officer ay kinilala ng Philippine Military Academy sa Camp General Gregorio del Pilar, Baguio City. Bilang commander ng 802nd Infantry Peerless Brigade Philippine Army, natamasa ni Brigadier General Vistuir hindi lamang ang tagumpay sa kanyang tungkulin, kundi pati na rin ang buo at mainit na suporta ng mga stakeholders sa kanyang nasasakupan. Ang pagtitiwalang ipinakita sa kanya ay patunay ng kanyang tapat na pamumuno at malasakit sa kapakanan ng mga komunidad na kanyang pinagsisilbihan. Naging mahalagang susi rin si Brigadier General Vistuir sa pagsuko ng ilang miyembro ng NPA sa nasasakupan ng 802nd Brigade. Dahil sa kanyang matatag, ngunit makataong pamumuno, siya ay lubos na pinasalamatan ng mga komunidad at ng mga dating nagbalik loob na ngayon ay may mga panibagong pag-asa para sa mas mapayapang kinabukasan.
Nakilala ko po si General Vistuir way back 2019 nung siya po ay ex-o pa lamang sa J7. Una po kaming mag-meet ni Sir Vistuir sa loob ng kampo. May sakit ako. Halos hindi ko mailakad yung mga legs ko kasi nag-worry ako sa anak ko at talaga nagkasakit ako dahil lumayas po si AJ nung time na yun. At una ko pong impression kay Sir ay mabait, napaka down to earth. Halos lumuhod po ako kay Sir noon. Kasama ko ang aking asawa at humihingi ng tulong na kung pwedeng tawagan niya lahat ng chapters sa lahat ng mga sundalo na huwag patatamaan si AJ kasi inosente siya at na-brainwash lang siya nitong mga Makabayan Black. Mula po noon, hindi niya na po kami pinabayaan. Talagang inassist niya po kami at talagang lahat ng ni-request ko ay ibinigay niya at talaga pong handa siyang tumulong. Napakalaki po ng tulong ni General Vistuir sa pagbuo ng mga magulang ng Hands of Our Children. Siya po ang naging sandalan ng mga magulang para mahanap o malocate ang kanilang mga anak at higit sa lahat, maibuo yung organization sa pamamagitan ng gabay. Si Sir hindi lang po siya sundalo, kaibigan din po siya at napaka-professional when it comes to dealing with the parents, with the FRs at saka sa mga CPP, NPA, NDF. At happy lang. Ganun lang. Hindi ko alam kung happy kasi mawawala ka na sa service at retired ka na. Pero, ganun pa man, masaya po kami at makakapag-enjoy ka na ng life mo. And salamat po sa 38 years na paglilingkod sa bayan, sa pagprotekta sa mga kabataan at sa pakikipaglaban. I will be forever grateful, sir, dahil na-meet ko kayo at kahit papano, hindi nakasampa sa bundok si AJ at higit sa lahat ay nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan sa tulad nyo at salamat sa kabutihan nyo sa family ko. At nung time na kinuha si AJ, grabe, as in, ang gulo-gulo ng isip ko, as in, praning ako. Kayo lang po yung tumulong sa akin, time na umiiyak ako, tatawag ako nang wala sa oras, guguluhin ko kayo, bigla ako magdadrama, ganun. Pero tinagaan mo ako, sir, at maraming salamat. At I pray to God na mabigyan kanya ng magandang katawan, kalakasan, at mahabang buhay.
Sir General Vistuir, Noel Vistuir, maraming salamat po, sir, sa tulong niyo po sa hands-off. Magmula po nag-umpisa ang hands-off, hanggang ngayon hindi po kayo nawala. Lahat po ng advice, lahat po ng tulong ninyo na nagawa sa hands-off ay malaking tulong po, pasasalamat ng mga mami po. At sa pag-alis niyo po sa inyong katungkulan, baon po namin ang ginawa niyo po sa hands-off na ito.
Hindi lamang po ang Hands of Our Children ang nabuo natin, kundi isang pamilya rin po. Kaya po ang buong Hands of Our Children, ang buong mga mamis, ay patuloy po na nagpapasalamat sa walang humpay ninyong pagsuporta sa amin at paggabay sa amin. Maraming salamat muli, Service.
Congratulations, sir! Hands of Our Children!
Maripayo na kaadlawan kag maayo nga pagretiro Sir General Toto Vistuir. Sir, lubos po akong nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng suporta po ninyo noong taong 2019. Sa mga panahong magulo ang aking isipan bilang isang magulang at guro. Dahil sa pagkakarikot ng aking anak ng mga makakaliwang grupo gaya ng Anak Bayan. Isa po kayo sa tumulong at nagbigay sa amin ng lakas ng loob at tapang upang ilantad ang mga grupong CPP, NPA, NTF Front Organization. Sir, hindi po namin malilimutan ang mga panahon na inyong inilaan upang makausap ang aking anak. Kasama namin kayo sa lahat ng aming laban mula sa kalsada hanggang sa Senado. Sir, hindi kayo nagdalawang isip at full support na ibinigay ninyo beyond your duties, but as a father and as a parent as well. Ngayon po sa inyong pagre-retiro bilang isang tapat at matapang na general ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas. Ang aking dalangin ay patuloy kayong gabayan ng ating Panginoon sa lahat ng inyong mabubuting gawain na aayon sa kanyang kalooban.